वो हासिल कर सकते हैं। और अगर जिस तरीके से अभी दोनों ही बल्लेबाजों की रनिंग बिटवीन चल रही है तो एक को दो में तब्दील करना कोई बहुत ज्यादा मुश्किल उनके लिए नहीं होगा। एक बार फिर से मेरे वाला अगली गेंद, और इस बार बहुत अच्छी गेंद बिल्कुल स्टंप्स पर, उसको सीधे बल्ले के साथ ड्राइव किया, ऑन ड्राइव था और गेंद जब तक लॉन्ग ऑन पर पहुंच गई 1 रन और हासिल हुआ और कुल स्कोर पहुंच गया 67, 1 विकेट के नुकसान पर। और अब 55 गेंदों पर 55 बल्कि 54 गेंदों पर 54 रन चाहिए इस मुकाबले को जीतने के लिए तमिलनाडु। हरी निशांत 35 और बाबा अपराजित 15 रन बनाकर नॉट आउट बल्लेबाजी कर रहे हैं।
54 needed of 54 deliveries, 67 for 1. Now, as we keep saying, Tamil Nadu really going very, very well. They're really taking this trophy to Tamil Nadu, it looks like. But then 9 overs and 54 deliveries still to be bowled. This is a strange game, particularly this format. Can Baroda get a couple of wickets, create some unwanted panic in the Tamil Nadu ranks? Here's Baba Patan this time to Hari Nishant, slow ball, and Nishant initially wanting to play a forceful stroke at the last moment can do no more, then played back along the wicket for Baba Patan on his follow through to pick up. Well, restricting the runs will not work for Baroda anymore. They need to take wickets. If the Tamil Nadu batsmen, these two stay there, or even one or two after this stay there, they're going to take the game anyways. So I think what Baroda need is wickets, and they need wickets in a hurry. Here is Baba Patan into Hari Nishant as he goes right arm over the wicket, and Hari Nishant waits for it, has lofted him, and he's taken beautifully. He's taken beautifully as that ball was hoisted in the air to backward square leg, and a beautiful take there right to the backward square leg boundary. And we were talking, can Baroda get a wicket? Can they get a couple of wickets? As that ball was the pickup shot, as now it's called in T20 format. That was the pickup shot played also round the corner in the air. The ball was airborne for a long time. Not easy to take the skiers, but I must say Bhargav Bhatt got under it. One got the impression initially that he probably was fumbling, but somehow managed to hold on to it for dear life, I should say. And was there a jubilation or what in the Baroda ranks when they got that wicket? They get a sniff. With every wicket, they get a sniff. It's still Tamil Nadu's game. And the captain, Dinesh Karthik, the experienced Dinesh Karthik walks in. The Baroda players were all in a huddle. Quite obviously, the message to them was, can we get a wicket or two over here? It's 54 or 52 deliveries. Can we get a wicket or two? Can we bring the equation down to somewhere around, 50 needed of 35 deliveries, or 50 needed of 40 deliveries? Something like that. Create some rear end panic. All these things do happen in this game. You never know.
बिल्कुल। और देखिए अभी फिलहाल जो की बैट्समैन हैं वो दिनेश कार्तिक क्रीज पर मौजूद हैं, और ऐसे में अगर 1 या 2 विकेट और हासिल हो गई, हालांकि अगर गेंद की हम बात करें तो गेंद में कोई बहुत ज्यादा ऐसी अच्छाई नहीं थी, बहुत एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी डिलीवरी नहीं थी, लेग स्टंप के बहुत बाहर थी और फायदा उठाना की कोशिश की थी, और ठीक है नुकसान आपका हो गया, लेकिन कैच भी भार्गव ने बस पकड़ ली। लेकिन इसी बीच अगली गेंद और बिल्कुल स्टंप्स के बीचों बीच थी, और यहां पर एक मौका बन सकता था, तो पैनिक क्रिएट हो चुका है।
Interesting that Dinesh Karthik comes up at number 4 in most of the games so far. It's been Arun Karthik who's been coming at number 4, and I think the captain doing the right thing. He knows it's the big final, and this is the message he gives the team, saying, okay, from here on I'll take the responsibility, and that's a very good thing that the captain is doing. 54-51 needed. Dinesh Karthik is out there in the middle. 67 for 2. Some sudden action there with the loss of Hari Nishant. 67 for 2 of 11.3 overs. And what Tamil Nadu will want over here is another good partnership to see them through. The next delivery from Baba Patan is playing back along the wicket. No runs result. And the score for Tamil Nadu remains on 67 for 2 of 11.4 overs. It's Dinesh Karthik and Baba Aparajit. Remember, Baba Aparajit is a very mature batsman. In that quarter final, let's not forget, he scored 52 of 45 deliveries, 3 fours and 2 sixes against Himachal, anchored that innings till Shah Rukh Khan came and played that cameo towards the end. but a lot of credit for that victory should go to Baba Aparajit. He's a very mature batsman. Here is the next delivery with an angle bat that's run down to square third man for a single. 68 for 2 of 11.5 overs. 53 needed of 49 deliveries now. That's the equation at this imposing Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Stadium in Ahmedabad. Baba Aparajit is 16 of 21. He spent a fair amount of time out there in the middle, and this has been a wicket taking over for Baba Pathan. One was talking of spinners being pressed into service. Look what happens. A pace bowler comes in and he gets a wicket. So this is a T20 format. What is important is who can get you the important breakthroughs. Having said all that, it's still Tamil Nadu's game. It will be their game to lose from here on. It's 121 to get. They're more than halfway through. They have 8 wickets in hand. 68 for 2. It'll be Dinesh Karthik to take his first delivery from Baba Pathan. Baba Pathan for the last time in this over. Into Dinesh Karthik, just a shade outside the off stump. Karthik fetches it from outside the off stump and nudges it round the corner down to backward square leg. Goes across for what will be his first run. Opens his account. At the end of 12 overs, it's 69 for 2. Tamil Nadu chasing 121. Aparajit is 16 of 21. A successful over there for Baba Pathan. Dinesh Karthik is just 1. 69 for 2. The bowling operations so far. Atit Sheth, none for 15 of his 2 overs. Mariwala, 1 for 17 of 3 overs. Bhargav Bhatt,